and heading home finally. Time se ho gaya, bahut time se ho gaya. Very organized college who helped us thoroughly and guided us so beautifully that the entire process was complete within 1 hour. So hats off to them. I'll speak to you all in detail about it a bit later once I reach home.
अपने आप बताया कि मैं वही स्नैक ऑर्डर करूंगी, मैं तो बड़ा सिर्फ चिली
कोई जरूरत नहीं, आप आओ इधर ऐसा
टाइम
ट्रीट है
स्पेंड
मेरा।
करेंगे लेकिन खाएंगे भी भाई। कल ये ट्रीट नहीं देनी है
तो
तुमको।
ट्रीट तो मुझे देनी चाहिए उस लिहाज से। रिजल्ट इसका है तो माँ देगी ना, तो माँ ट्रीट देगी ना।
माँ से ट्रीट लेंगे जो हम कॉलेज में एडमिशन हो जाएगा। तो मेरा वीडियो बना रही है, बेशरम कहाँ दिखाएगी?
अपने ब्लॉग में
NONSEN
मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको।
Are you serious?
माय मोस्ट फेवरेट भाभी।
Bloody hell, भाभी। Say
रिश्ता बता रही हूँ।
Say most favorite co-sister.
अरे, भाभी बोलने से उनको रिश्ता समझ आएगा ना मैं कौन
We
है।
are friends, come co-sisters.
अच्छा चलो मैं
And this damn woman has come to my house for the first time in my 30 years of my marriage.
in my 26 years of
So
marriage.
she needs to be slayed.
But guys, no, don't believe her. It's not that we have not met.
Yeah, we
in
met only
between.
we met only for weddings, right?
But we've jammed a lot on those weddings. We've made memories.
Bloody गिनती की एक दो wedding ही jammed a lot. ऐसे बोली जैसे बड़ा
आप तो मेरे ही चैनल पे बात लगा रहे
ऐसे
हो।
बोले जैसे बड़े पी के पड़े हुए थे, jammed a lot.
आप तो पी के पड़े हुए थे, मेरा तो कंट्रोल में थी। बट वो जो पी के पड़ के जो हमारा आया है मजा।
Good fun, so nice. Anya, come here.
Come in the front.
Why are we leaving
this side,
her?
This side, come this side in the front.
Here is our brighto girl, the psycho girl.
Psycho
with
girl.
the psycho.
Psycho girl का क्या मतलब निकालेंगे वो?
I will challenge the psycho girl with 90% she secured today in ICSE.
मैंने अभी
Yay!
तक बोला ही नहीं था अपने बंदों को।
मैंने बता दिया. I'm
You got
breaking-
the news from the
breaking
right
news.
horse's mouth.
Breaking news.
The horse's mouth is absolutely
God bless.
right.
God, she's got
इसका
90%.
result आ गया। बल्ले 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 बल्ले। I'm very
कम
happy.
नहीं है मेरे से वैसे.
I am very happy. I'm very proud of all the hard work she has put in these last 2 years.
And this is the result of the hard work.
And Samir is not with us. Huh? He's in Kolkata. I am in Delhi. And Samir ro pada मालूम है?
Oh.
He got choked.
लगा phone.
लगा subscriber count. Like भेज subscriber
लो,
जोड़.
भैया को लो, समीर भैया को. जाओ
तभी
तो.
ये फन और दिखाऊंगी अगर सब्सक्राइबर बनोगे। नहीं आता है टू व्लॉग। कैसी व्लॉग?
ये मत बनाइयो. घर जाके बोली कि मेरे को बुलाया था पहली बार और जाके किचन में काम कराया था.
कबाब खिलाए थे कबाब। मेहनत देखो चल रही है एक तरफ। मेरा फेवरेट फ्रूट कट रहा है।
कितनी मेहनत है भाई, ना पूछ.
ये देखो काम करने नहीं दिया जा रहा अपने ही घर में।
ये भी काम नहीं कर रही है. नॉनसेंस
ये हो गया है।
चलो 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 बाहर चलो तुम.
ओके कितना सुंदर मंदिर है। सो ब्यूटिफुली मेड। लुक एट दैट, अ फुल स्ट्रेच ऑफ मंदिर अंदर भी। एंड द ड्राइंग रूम लिविंग एरिया इज सो कोजी, सो ब्यूटिफुल. Lovely paintings on either side of the wall. The dining setup and the kitchen is right there where we were standing. And the rooms. Plenty of place. Huge house. Who's calling?
बनाना.
Wall of frames done by my niece. So proud of her. Look at the हुनर देखो बच्चे में.
मुझे ये भी बहुत पसंद है. Look at the trees.
All of
ना,
them.
and
I am
the
appreciating
lamps.
each of them for
And the
different
lamps, and
reasons.
उसकी रिफ्लेक्शन नीचे कितनी सुंदर है ना.
So pretty.
very mesmerizing.
Absolutely. I am enjoying the color combinations and they've come out so beautifully.
मूव भी करता था. मूव के रूम में देखोगे तो पता है क्या दिखेगा? टेबल टेनिस का रैकेट, क्रिकेट रैकेट, सॉकर बॉल.
मैं बाहर टेरेस पे आई हूँ and Bhabhi is quickly picking up all those clothes that are dry. I told her, don't worry, I'm not going to take.
Mother, you're making that also video. Are you MADDD?
I love your terrace. I love this green thing.
Even
And I'm imagining when it rains from here and the gulmohar on top.
Yes.
Oh my god, my favorite tree.
This is also my favorite tree. रजौरी के हमारे घर के एंट्रेंस के गेट पे था.
Look at that red
Yes.
sheet on top.
Yes. This is beautiful, ना?
This is just awesome, yaar.
राजे ऐसे कर. आचार्य.
I'm so impressed with all the green around. You know, I'm wondering in the 26 years, how come I never visited Surbhi's house when I came to Delhi for whatever fleeting moments? But this time I really made an effort and I said, Anya, let's just go. I have one full day that's lying in my pocket and I need to use it. I am better utilize it and invest it on the right people. So I'm in the right place at the right time.
यार बहुत ही बेचारे का
We went to the boys'
और बहुत सारी
room.
चीजें मैंने उसकी डेस्क वेस्ट सब निकाल दी उसकी स्टडी टेबल
Oh, Harry Potter ka, oh, has to
और इसका
be.
जब से गया है nobody
Sister has gifted him all this.
nobody can take out his Liverpool
ये सब देखकर ही पता
posters.
चल रहा boys' room.
Nobody can take out
And the
Liverpool
blue
posters.
bed. And the
इस
posters.
पे मेरे कवर भी नहीं चले
मुझे तो बड़ा ही मजा आ रहा है.
वीडियो बनाई जा रही है
चल लॉन्ग शॉट देती हूँ.
काले में इसमें
लॉन्ग शॉट नहीं अभी उठाने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. मैंने ले लिए. सब ले लिए. नहीं आई एम लविंग इट.
I got painted from her.
वो मैंने अच्छा
That's also Adya's.
house of the most, the room of the
That's my
most
mom's.
important person
My
in the
mom was an
house.
artist.
The king and queen.
My mom was an artist.
professional.
She is a so a whole
The
shop
lined
of
cupboards,
Chinese, Japanese,
the huge
Indian.
king size bed.
And-
अरे यहाँ भी अलमारी. कितने कपड़े हैं आपके पास?
अरे ये तो लेनी पड़ी थी
That's very commendable.
This Sunday got made on our 25th anniversary. He gifted me.
A collage of
It was
all
a
the memories and
surprise.
photographs.
Surprise it was. I would have never imagined that Sunday doing that.
What a warm house. What a good vibe I'm getting. Somewhere where I would like to sit in a cozy nook and be lost.
अच्छा एक दिन मेरे पास रुक जा.
एक किताब पकड़ूं और कोई मेरे पास ना आए उस
मैं बहुत
वक्त.
अच्छी चीज़
मैं
कर
बस
रही हूँ.
चुपचाप
वो
बैठ
देख.
जाऊँ. You know, I get that vibe.
देख that is my book now.
What book are you reading? This one?
Apparently
Wherever you go, there you are.
it's beautiful. Beautiful book.
इससे मुझे मालूम है एक चीज़ याद आई. जीजा जी का नाम क्या है? रेखा दीदी हस्बैंड
हंस जीजा जी.
हंस जीजा जी ने बोला था मुझे मोनू की शादी में. I like walked into the room and tuck heels पहन के walked in. You know, after 2 minutes he tells me, Yogita, whenever you enter anywhere, no, you own the place. So this reminds me,
Oh,
this
that
book,
statement,
wherever you
you
go,
are,
there you are. मुझे वो याद आ
So
गया.
this has been gifted to me by Kailash
Okay.
Bharti ji's daughter gifted me her husband. Her grandson was my student for 3 years last year. Before he moved to middle
This
school.
is a treasure trove.
And it's beautiful. It so resounds with me. So resounds.
So similar in taste,
man, I can't
believe it.
So I feel in this lifetime I have a few that troop of women who have been like my soul sisters in my previous births for sure. And counted there are those 6, 8 definite those women who have been my soul sisters.
मेरे सिर्फ 2 ही हैं.
नहीं मेरे तो 6, 8 है अमेजिंग
और
है.
मेरे 2 में से एक मेरे साथ खड़ी है.
Oh, lovely.
We've been making this program. Let's go somewhere, 3 of us.
But
let's
you
go
know,
somewhere,
but
3
you
of
know,
us. But
once
it's
she
not
gets into
happening.
college ना
तब
ये फ्री हो जाएगी भाभी फ्री हैं तो माइट किड्स आर अवे ऐ भी अपना पढ़ने जाएगी then we three will rock
mad people. We mad people will go to.
वो है ना three little women
आपकी ये बोलेगी तो नहीं कौन आ गई है घर में? ये पागल कौन है जो आई है?
बोलेगी दीदी कोई और साथी आ गई आज
एक जैसा पगला
वो
है.
जैसे three little women है ना we will be the three little
Three musketeers
three
बोलो.
musketeers three
असल में तो अब
musketeers
हम वो लिटिल नहीं रहे.
हम लिटला हो गए हैं You're going to a place where you will meet. I mean, it could be a national integration, isn't it?
We are talking about colleges.
So you have girls and boys from various colleges, and always try and have. I mean, I'm sure you are looking at co-ed institutions. Yeah, don't send her only to girls, and go into a co-ed institution and make good friends where there's such positive. Enter into those kind of debates, discussions because that helps a lot because that opens your avenues also. Also thinking. Many times thinking is aligned and many times of course there will be difference of opinions but rationalize your difference of opinions. Why you think so and how the other person is thinking and what is the reason behind it. So I think the more we reason, which is what is called HOTS, higher order thinking skills, the more you get into higher order thinking skills, the more clarity you get on why you are doing what you are doing, so it does.
I just want to add something.
Yes.
Today I feel I didn't choose to come here that I would hear these golden words from you,
Alright.
all those guidance. Today I realize again another thing that's hit me is I'm emotional. I've got tears in my eye and I have God to thank. I think He chose today that I be here.
Everything is destined
Probably
to happen.
because of
Because
this
we had to get
interaction.
connected. Maybe I had to meet Anya, Anya had to meet me.
this learning that she will take away from you, अगर माँ बाप के हैसियत से हम बोलते रहेंगे ना वो शायद नहीं जाएगा. It won't hit her.
It does happen.
But you
Somebody
being
else saying it sometimes is absorbed.
you
better.
being an educator and educationist, being in this line for 30 plus years, draining your experience towards her in how many ever these couple of minutes.
But she's a
But-
good बच्चा. बेटे खोलना please. You and your friends. Who is that?
So how are you?
You made my day. I had such a bad day.
Why?
अरे यार पागल पागल
Politics.
होते हैं।
Politics.
बहुत गंदे गंदे लोग हैं।
आप इतना कमजोर क्यों हो गए हो?
चुप के काटा हो गई हूँ।
क्योंकि मुझे दे दिए हैं उन्होंने माय मिड
मुझे कोई खाना नहीं देता।
और मुझे सब खिला खिला के अपने हिस्से का दे रहे हैं.